Huawei Enjoy 90 AI feature just leaked, and it could completely change how budget smartphones handle driving, navigation, and daily travel. If you thought entry-level phones were basic, this new smart travel mode might surprise you. Huawei has been quietly improving its budget lineup, and the Enjoy 90 series is a perfect example of that. These phones already offer strong value for money, especially models like the Enjoy 90 Pro Max, which deliver solid performance across multiple areas. But now, Huawei is planning to take things a step further by adding a smart AI-powered feature designed specifically for travel and driving. This new feature is being called Smart Travel Mode, and it's expected to bring a much smarter and more helpful experience when you're on the road. According to leaks, this feature will connect with God Maps to provide real-time traffic updates, including one very interesting addition: traffic light countdown reminders. Imagine you're driving or riding a bike, and your phone shows exactly how long a red light will last before turning green. That kind of information can make your journey smoother, reduce stress, and even help you plan your movement better in busy traffic. But that's just one part of the feature. Smart Travel Mode is designed to act like a complete driving assistant on your phone. For example, it includes smart travel alerts that give you real-time updates through a simple and easy-to-read interface. This means you won't have to keep checking your phone constantly, as important information will be displayed clearly when you need it. Another useful feature is automatic hands-free calling. If you receive or make a call while driving and there's no Bluetooth device connected, the phone will automatically switch to hands-free mode. This makes it safer and more convenient, especially for users who don't use external devices. Huawei is also improving sound alerts. When Smart Travel Mode is active, the phone boosts notification sounds and ringtones to maximum levels. This ensures you don't miss any important alerts, even in noisy environments like traffic or crowded streets. Clear voice announcements are another key highlight. The phone can read out important information from supported apps, including navigation directions, delivery updates, or other notifications. This allows you to stay focused on the road while still getting all the information you need. There's also a smart display feature built into this mode. The phone can extend screen on time based on how you're using it. So if you're actively using navigation or travel apps, the screen will stay on longer without you needing to touch it. On top of that, the screen-off delay can be extended up to 10 minutes. This is especially helpful for people who are cycling or driving, as it keeps the display active without interruptions. All these features together make Smart Travel Mode feel like a mini-in-car assistant, built directly into your phone. Now, here's where things get interesting. This feature might be exclusive to the Enjoy 90 series, at least for now. Some hints suggest that Huawei could limit this feature to its latest budget devices as a way to make them more attractive in the market. If that's true, it could give these phones a unique advantage over other entry-level smartphones. Usually, advanced AI features are reserved for premium devices, but Huawei seems to be bringing something special to the budget segment. However, the exact rollout plan is still unclear. We don't know when the feature will officially launch or whether it will expand to other Huawei devices in the future. There's always a chance that if the feature becomes popular, Huawei might bring it to more models later on. What's clear is that Huawei is trying to change the perception of budget smartphones. Instead of just offering basic features, the company is adding smart AI-powered tools that improve real-life usage. For users, this is a big win. Features like traffic alerts, hands-free calling, and voice announcements can make daily travel easier, safer, and more efficient. So even if you're not spending a lot of money on a phone, you can still get a smarter experience that actually helps in your day-to-day life. If Huawei continues in this direction, budget phones might not feel budget anymore. And that's something worth paying attention to.